So we just ended up spraying our wall, and now what we're doing is using an 18-inch roller and back rolling it. And what that does, it basically makes the surface, gives us the texture of the paint, like a paint finish. Also, if there's any bad spraying job, like marks, we're just kind of rolling right through it. We're evening everything out. And then we're also forcing the paint to have a better contact with the mud itself and the drywall itself. Because when you spray on it, it kind of like layers it. Where here, we're more kind of like squishing it in, if that makes sense. So what we have is an 18-inch roller, and just kind of makes this whole process very efficient. We primed this entire room with all ceilings and everything. We primed and back rolled it in 15 minutes, which is incredible. Incredibly efficient if you were to do that by hand.